Hey, what's up fellas? It's your boy Gaz coming again with another Menlo Club unboxing, and today we're doing for the month of October and November. I know the month of October is a little too late, but I didn't even have any time to shoot it, and when I was about to shoot it, the one for November was already along the way, so I decided to wait and kill two birds with one stone. So finally we can get right into it. And I wasn't so sure for the month of November because I believe like last year I got a bomber jacket sweater and they were promoting the same sweater, and I didn't want to get the same sweater, so we're just gonna get right into it and hope I didn't get that. I did saw the taupe colorway, so I hope I did get that color. I don't mind if that's one of the reasons why I didn't pause it, because I was like, I don't mind that one, but if I got the other one, I don't know, maybe I would give it away, or Christmas is around the corner. Alright. So still same wrapping and package, nothing new. Oh, I already see I got the same sweater. But at least so far I like the shirt, the button down long sleeve shirt. It actually feels like a little thicker material, so it is gonna be good for this time of year. So I like this shirt, I really do like it. So for the sweater, I was wearing this sweater a few days ago. I do have the same one, but I don't know. Does it look? It's a little different. I noticed the one I got last year had like the two zipper that wasn't on trend. At least this one has the one zipper, because I really didn't like the other with the two zippers. So, and it does have extra pockets inside. No, it doesn't. So that's for the month of November. And finally for the month of October. Been waiting all month long to wear these shoes. And this was for the month of the New Republic month. I believe twice a year we get New Republic, and 6 months ago we got the Kurt sneakers in the white colorway. I believe I'm gonna try to do a following video with those sneakers because they've been holding up, and I'm pretty sure you guys would like to know how good they've been lasting so far. So this is the black colorway sneakers, and I hope you guys do take advantage of the Black Friday deal, because they do have them on sale for like $40, and if you're a member, you guys know you guys can get it a little bit cheaper too. So here it is, a Kurt sneaker in the black colorway, and wow guys, these are nice and shiny. They actually look more shinier than what I thought, and the same as the white colorway, same details and everything. It has like the suede interior going on. What else we got? Oh, we got a pair of socks. You know what? This actually would look good for Thanksgiving. It's like this yellowish, kind of orange. Not orange, I wouldn't say orange, but they like these yellow socks. And that's pretty much it. That's all we got. Yes, that's all we got. And you get presented with this card that says you just received one of GQ's best sneakers. Good thing it happened when you were part of the club. That is cool, because they did ended up in GQ #1 sneaker, and that's pretty awesome to get. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's all we got, and like always, let's go on and try these bad boys on and see how they look. guys, so this is pretty much it. So this was for the month of November and October. I believe so. I kind of lost already because I really don't have time as much anymore. I'll continue to do more videos, but I don't know if I'll be doing the next Menlo Club unboxing. To be honest with you, I did love the shirt that I got, but the sweater, I actually got the sweater last year. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it to one of you guys. So if you want to just win, just go ahead and leave a comment or a like on this video. And I'll be doing a haul video from the Menlo house because I did went crazy and bought a lot of stuff from the Menlo house on Black Friday. I also bought a lot of different things besides at the Menlo house. And I'll be doing an unboxing or just showing you everything that I got and how I took advantage of a lot of deals. But anyway, guys, if you guys want the sweater, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like the video, guys, all that good stuff. And like always, it's your boy Gabs.